Hi everybody, this package I got from Md95tsi, the drone network. Please check them out, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, his wife's channel, Crystal Justice, I'll also leave a link in the description. She also sent, I actually won a drone on her channel. I didn't get a chance to unbox it, but that's it. Let's get on to the unboxing. Wow, great print, Chris. It's should do me well. It's a gimbal protector for Mavic Pro DJI. Anyways, thanks, Chris. Big shout out to your channel. Thanks a lot, buddy. Alright, thanks everybody. Please like and subscribe and comment. Bye.